Father, our husband, the moon god, only loves our sister Rohini. He neglects the rest of us.
It is not fair. Moon god only loves Rohini.
This injustice cannot continue.
Raja Daksha then went to Moon God and told him he was being unfair.
You will lose your glory, luster, and vigor as the months go by.
Chandra, the only one who can help you with this curse is Lord Shiva. Go to him.
You will grow to your full glory in the first 15 days, then wane. This cycle will continue.
Lord Shiva, Mother Parvati, please grace earth with your divine presence.